Ndugamano yani Mbunge iri gatagati ga Senate na iria ya kibũrũri iri na hinya gũkĩregio nĩ ĩtanyĩtwo gũkinya mũthia thutha wa kũhithũka kwa mũbango wa Senate kweheria ciira ũrĩa yandikithitie igoti-ini ĩgĩthitanga Mbunge ya kibũrũri na kuhitukia mawatho marĩa mabatie kuhitukio ni Senate.
Kwa tunaona wale ndugu zetu wa bunge la kitaifa wakikimbia haraka sana wakienda kwa Rais Uhuru Kenyatta, na alafu Uhuru Kenyatta anaweza kuweka saini yake na kufanya sheria. Hilo ni jambo ambalo lilikuwa linakiuka makadirio na sheria za bunge.
Makĩaria hĩndĩ ya gĩikaro kĩa mwanya kĩa bunge na mwena wa Mombasa Senate kuhitukira mũtongoria wa rĩngĩ Senator Aaron Cheruiyot yugĩte ũtongoria wa kĩbũrũri kuhitukira President William Ruto na maspika bunge cieri mena mũbango wa kunina ndugamano ĩno nja wa igoti.
We're in the process of entering a consent on the matter that is before the Supreme Court between both houses, the National Assembly and the Senate. As a SBC, we approved last week what we consider to be our terms of the consent. They are not conditions, they are terms to negotiate with.
Spika wetu na spika wake wanakubaliana kwamba haya ndio makadirio yaliyopitishwa katika bunge la Senate na bunge la kitaifa, na tumekubaliana ili waende kwa rais, na wao wawili wataenda kwa rais kupeleka hiyo bill ili iweze kutiwa sign iwe sheria.
Maseneta ya ningĩ nĩ mahinyĩrĩirie atĩ kũrĩ na mũbango wa kũgacĩrithia ũruti wĩra gatagati ka mbunge ici cieri makĩria nĩguo kũhotithia gũkinyanĩra gwa keheri gĩa tabarĩra cia ũkũria na ũthii wa na mbere wa bũrũri.
We've given to our speaker and asked him to negotiate with his colleague from the National Assembly together with his team. So I believe in about a week or two we should bury this issue, enter consent before a court of law. I don't see a reason why we will not agree. And once this is resolved, then consider that that matter will be a thing of the past.
Girivotera Kameme TV, Jitagomora, Wagunya.